Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Freetown in St. Catherine and we are going to give you an update on the construction of a full interchange at Freetown. Now we did a video earlier and some people were asking if it's going to be a full interchange because you only see construction happening on one side. But it will be a full interchange, meaning two exits, two entrances. So it doesn't matter which direction you're going in, you can exit and enter the highway from Freetown. The work is being done by China Harbour Engineering Company, and what you're looking at, I guess, is just one side. But they're building two additional ramps. So currently, you can get on the highway here and head left to Old Harbor. You cannot get on the highway and enter and head towards Maypen currently. So that's why they're changing it. And the same, so there are two exits here now. One, you can get on the highway and go to Old Harbor, and you can exit at Freetown on the other side. So if you're coming from Old Harbor, if you're going from Old Harbor to Maypen, you can exit. And if you want to get on the highway, you can only get on the highway to go to Old Harbor. So they're changing it because this area has grown so many developments that they're now putting in a full interchange here. So if you're on Old Harbor Road and you can now go in either direction when they're finished. You can go to Old Harbor, get on the highway and go to Old Harbor, and get on the highway and go to Maypen. Similarly, if you're going in the opposite direction, you can also get off the highway. So it's a full interchange. This ramp that you're looking at now is the one where you will get on the highway and exit the highway to go in both directions. All right, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening here. The residents of Freetown and surrounding areas will benefit from a full interchange along the Highway 2000 East-West corridor in early 2025. This was announced by the Managing Director of Trans-Jamaica Highway. Mr. Anderson highlighted that residents from areas such as Longville, Freetown, Avery, New Harbour Phase 4, and Sandy Bay currently lack access to the westbound lanes towards Maypen and face difficulties when returning eastbound. The improvements come after consistent lobbying from community members and the construction of the new access ramps to be undertaken by China Harbour Engineering Company. Now, we were one of those advocates or calling for more entrances and exits to the highway. You guys, you remember we've said it for a very long time. If you live in one of the communities along Old Harbor Road, you have to go down to Old Harbor to get on the highway, or you have to go up to Spanish Town to get on the highway. So we will keep you guys updated on these developments out here by Freetown. And guys, leave your comments in the section below. But it's two new ramps being built to go along with the two that are there. All right, guys. Have a good